Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1971 Camaro. This car here has a small block 350 under the hood, power steering. Looks like the AC and stuff is hooked up. I don't believe it's actually functioning, but it is all there. If you haven't already, check out the walk-around description video of this car, pointing out any kind of flaws on the paint, underneath, and in the interior. You can also locate that the last 30 seconds of this video. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. We're gonna go ahead and shut this hood down and take off down the road. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior on this car, check everything out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? It's a little game we play on this channel. It's showing 40,000 miles on the dash. Can't stand behind that on these old classic cars. Interior's in pretty good shape. Doesn't look bad at all. Go ahead and start this one up. Starts up nice and easy. All we got for gauges, you got the dummy lights on here for the temperature and the oil. The fuel gauge is up to 3/4 of a tank, and we got our speedo. We'll go ahead and hit the horn. You ready? Oh wow, that's the sorriest horn ever. It works though. The AC is all hooked up under there, but the blower motor's not kicking on in here, blowing out any cold air. So that is what it is. You'll have to get that worked on. We do have the faceplate to the radio. Actually, the blower motor just started working all of a sudden. But I don't hear the compressor kicking on, so the compressor's not working right now. Still have to have the AC worked on. All right, guys. Let's take off down the road. Getting ready to take off here. Get my seatbelt put on. Kind of loose up top here, so there it goes. I want to roll up on somebody and just hit that horn. You're like, what was that? Clutch is letting out about halfway. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will let you know. I got to get this seatbelt off my neck though. It's missing the part that goes on the seat to keep it off your neck. I'm going to have to run it under my arm here. A little too hot and sweaty to be running that on my neck. All right. As soon as all this traffic passes, we're going to take off. I'll try not to miss anything. Speedo is not working on this one. Steering wheel's not straight, but we're not going to the left or right of the road. It is actually going straight down the road. And the steering has got very minimal slack, about that much. Start starting there and start starting there. Brakes feel pretty good. People are kind of driving erratic out here. Oh man. I don't know if y'all seen that in the video. Flicking each other off, yelling at each other. People are crazy out here today. Let's get off the main road. I got my turn signal on, and I'm not seeing it pop up on the dash. Usually there's a little light here. that'll indicate the turn signal's on, and it's not popping up on the dash here. It's shifting nicely, feels pretty good. Go ahead and get on the brakes real good. Stops fast. Definitely have to get the speedo cable replaced so you can have a speedometer back. Gas gauge is floating around. I do believe it works. Let's sit here and try. Well, we'll try our brake, see if it works. It holds. Emergency brake works. All right, I'm gonna get some outside shots here, and we'll continue this video. All right, guys, got y'all in the driver's seat here, getting ready to take off and do this rest of this test drive here. Missing a little end piece on the brake release there. Coming up on that street up here on the right, it's got that speed bump in it. The suspension on this car feels great, so we're not going to have any issues there, but we can listen for any kind of rattles, shakes when we hit that bump there. It's coming up right here, nice and smooth, nice and quiet. Third gear chirp on this one. Wasn't even really getting on it. Feels pretty good. I do appreciate y'all riding along. And guys, I've seen some of the comments on there. You you want me to speed shift and stuff, I'm just driving this car, letting you know exactly what it needs, how it runs and drives. I'm not trying to race car around. This is a everyday street car here, so let's just put it that way. I do appreciate y'all riding along, and thanks again. If you have any other questions, check out maplemotors.com. We do have finance options, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and also get these cars shipped all over the nation. I do try to post videos every single day, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can hit the notification bell to be alerted anytime I post a new video. You can go ahead and watch the walk around video as well, pointing out any kind of flaws inside, out, and underneath. Last but not least, give us a call. We'll try to help you out. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks again.